Gamble between Ojula and Sanjo. Salamat po sa mga nakakaunawa sa atin. 4-2. Here now by Oscar. It's a foul. By June Manso. First personal foul on June Manso. Ojula. Balik kay Lopez. O Oscar. To Ojula. Fire 2. No good. Defensive rebound. Another baseline inbound. Ang ganda ng pagkakawala. Yan ay June Manso. JP Cabaog. Pass to Luelo. Now to Laundry Sanjo. 7 shot clock. Cabaog top of the key. No good rebound. Tapik. And Sanjo. And one. Screen. Cabaog na tapik ang bola. Steal. 3-on-1 situation. Trap pass. Halftime, Oscar. It's a foul. Ball break by Palencia. Palencia float. Yes!
Palencia!
Marno na get a foul.
Accident.
Now in trouble. CJ Delpino! Yes! What attack! By the Tasmanian Devil! Almost check. Fire 3. Oh! Basket pa by Laundry Sanjo. And the lead will up and 8. 3-point shots by JC Dowson. Dowson. Pass to CJ Delpino. CJ takes slide. It's a traveling.
Turnover. Papaleo.
Agpong laban Manuel. Agpong. Dinalawa. Rebound by Sherwin Concepcion. Concepcion. Oh, it's a tackle.
Atras si Paleo.
Another steal for the CM Farm. Foul by Jory Napoles.
Illegal use of hands.
Minutes on the game clock. Still by Mark Nonoy. 3 by Wello. Ligolingo no good. Rebound push. Sakto sa ilalim. Sherwin Concepcion. Shoutout Assassino Cappuccino. Idol pa. Shoutout Patrick Dejos na import ng Fiesta Gas. Shoutout from Antipolo. Now to Ojula. Pass to Eman. Bounce back. CJ. Nice press. It's a foul.
Foul jersey number 41.
5:25. 23 points. Dami. Nabombahan talaga yung WB dito. Swerte.
Yes, to shoot.
Maghahanap ulit ng magandang tira si Swerte.
Relax na. Back to
Ayan
bed.
na, sunto ka na.
Back to bed. And shoot.
Yung dalawa na naman.
Please proceed to your respected benches.
Ayan na.
All players. Respected benches. All players.
Eto na naman ang lambingan at ngayon nagkadapuan na. O nagkabitawan na. Catalan and Jack Corpus.
To your respected benches.
Haha! Lambingan sa Panalay.
Proceed to your respected benches. All players. All players.
Kasalubong dalawang matapang. Here comes now by Angeles. Angeles nakalusot. It's a foul. Two out of two for Brian Angeles.
Angeles.
20 points. It's a foul for Jory Napoles.
Foul number 15, illegal incident.
Ray Suerte from the corner. Another almost three. Defensive rebound. Here now by Brian Angeles. Angeles, take it away. Naman na dulas. Itong si Brian Angeles. Sobrang dulas. Nadulas pa. Itong si Brian Angeles. Jory Napoles. CJ Del Pino drive. Yes, good for two.
Pino.
And this is a championship from the CM Farm.
Second to play.
Congratulations, the CM Farm is the Loreto Dinagat Island Panalay champion and the first runner-up for the Team WBS Sophia. Kita-kita tayo sa mga susunod na Panalay sa buong Pilipinas. This is WBS Sophia. Please continue follow WBS Sophia.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays make big time plays. Woo!